What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I started off the day super energetic. I've had no coffee, but my hats came in yesterday and I'm about to make them. So here's the idea. Last night I cleaned it all up so it'd be perfect for de-weeding. I'm gonna go put this on a trucker hat and I'll show you guys in just a second. So unfortunately, I have not bought the right color HTV yet, but I'm just gonna throw one on just to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna do my black HTV on this one today, and I might do a white on this one, and we'll see how they turn out. All right, so my plan was to use my heat press, but I forgot. I can't put a hat under there to heat press. I was gonna just go off the top and just kind of heat it like this. That's not gonna work. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy 1900 style hand iron. Let's do that. All right, so that went horribly wrong. So not a very peaceful day at my apartment, so I'm probably gonna go to a coffee shop. Anyways, no, it did not turn out the way I wanted it to, but it kind of looks cool. It just looks messed up, and yeah, so whatever. I'll roll with it today, try to fix it later on. Maybe I can fix some of the letters, but what a pain. Very hard. HTV's never been easy, especially when it's super, super small wording. So tough. But anyways, now let's eat, or should we just go straight to a coffee shop? I'm not really sure. I'm gonna think about that. Let me think about that. All right, so I'm just gonna go to a coffee shop right now. It is so loud. I'm just gonna do a lot of back end work at the coffee shop, and then we'll come back and do customer orders, but it's just so loud. They got a tree cutting machine right now, and then they're doing like plumbing outside. I'm just like this, it's very loud today. So we're gonna go to the coffee shop and we'll be back. All right, guys, this is really hurting my brain. So do you see this? So I printed out 6 sheets of stickers, okay? I come over here. I want you to see the difference. Okay, you see 3 combo stickers there, and you see 4 McDonald's there. Now, there's not the same kind of sticker sheet like this, okay? I come over here. There are 3 of these, but these 2 are not there like this. Okay, I'm so lost. Like, I don't know what happened in the printer, but I just cut out a sheet and it was wrong. And I'm like, that's weird. And I looked at the other ones and they're way off. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out, but that's so glitchy and weird. Okay, so I think I know what happened. I didn't save the file before I added the other window for my other Cricut machine. So it's showing 2 different files here, and that's why it cut wrong. So that was my problem. All right, well, it won't let me load the other page, even though I deleted it, axed out and everything. So we're just gonna use the Maker 3 for the rest of the time. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. We have all of our packages out ready to go. I am a little bummed that this didn't turn out the way I would like, but I'm honestly, I'm kind of rolling with it. I like it. So if you do not know, Beach Cowboy is going to be my new company I'm starting on the side. I live in SoCal, so Southern California, and I surf, but I also dirt bike and do all that fun stuff. So I'm like, Beach Cowboy just sounds so like niche to like SoCal or anyone coastal that also does like country stuff too. Like, I just love doing anything on a dirt road, off-roading and all that stuff. So I have a couple buddies that I might get involved with as well with this. But if anyone's interested, comment down below, let me know. I can start getting like pre-orders or whatever, but obviously I need some work and actually get them done professionally, or I need to get a heat press, which we can talk about in the next video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It also helps out other people to find my videos that are like you. Subscribe down below if you want to watch me hit $30,000 a month at some point in my career. That is the plan. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Now we are going to go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so on eBay yesterday, we made $96.83. We made $555.70 on Amazon yesterday, to a total of $653. This is exactly where we need to be right now. Even though we're not hitting even 1,000, it's just better than like $300 days. So we're doubling that again at the moment. So we're at $6,874 for this month. We need to be at like 18,000, but it's all good, guys. This is just ups and downs in business and figuring out how to make more money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. Peace out.